lahat. Food review natin yung night market last night. Milk na yung nilagay sa corn ko. Masarap with cheese and butter. So, tapos meron sana kaming gusto ko kainan ng Kuya Daniel na Korean food. Kaya lang ang haba ng pila. Anyway, ayan. We're done with the night market. And Kuya Daniel yung siyempre, the strawberry taho, which Baguio only has. Yan. Masarap pa rin. Siyempre, the strawberry taho. We're having breakfast. So, ayan ang food review natin ng night market. Baguio night market. So, tonight, may baka hindi na kami pumunta doon. Maraming tao. So, we have the same food pa rin naman. So, masarap naman. They had barbecue. Corn, strawberry, and sisig. Para kasi madali ng kainin yung wala kasi last ng eating area sa Baguio Night Market. So, dapat to go lang ipupunin mo. Lang mag-gamit. Magagamit ng just thank you for watching. See you in my next video.